Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys all you need to know about this Mineperia. So if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. The link of this platform or this app will be on the description box. So when you click on it, they will ask you to download the app on Play Store. So after downloading the app, you can now proceed to register. Make sure you make use of my referral that is showing on the screen. Make use of it to receive your welcome bonus. So when after registering, this is your dashboard. This is how it looks like. So first thing you're supposed to do is to go and start mining. So this is where you can locate the mining section. So you can click on start mining. So after clicking on start mining, every day you'll be given 7 quarter. So but if you have not referred anyone, you'll be given 3 quarter to mine. You're going to be given 3 quarter to mine. So when the more you refer people, the more they will unlock quotas for you. So let's say daily you can only claim start mining 3 times. So each mining ends every 2 hours. Each mining ends every 2 hours. So each 2 hours you come and start your mining again. Before you start claiming, before you click on this start mining, in case of people that have already started and maybe you want to start again, it's not working, all you need to do is just scroll down. When you see this, you have to collect them before you start your miner. This is the block, this is the reward from mining. So you click on collect. So you'll be given 3 Peria. So now I can now start my miner. So it has started. You see, every 2 hours, in the next 2 hours I'll have to activate my miner again. So this is how the mining section work. You're given 3 quarter every day if you don't have a referral, but if you have one referral, you're going to be given 4. So the more referral you have, the more quarter you will get. To reach the 7th quarter, you'll be needing 25 referrals. You'll be needing 25 referrals to reach the 7th quarter. When you scroll down, you will see complete task. You click on the complete task. This task is automatic, so any task you complete, it comes to your balance automatically, so you don't need to come and claim. So any task you complete, it will be sent to you automatically. So this is the wallet. You can connect your wallet. As you can see, mine is already connected. I use my Trust wallet in connecting. So if you have Trust wallet, MetaMask, OKX, Binance, I think is the one required. So if you have those things, all you need to do is to just click on wallet, check here, this place the road coin, you click on it. This is it. MetaMask, Trust wallet, OKX wallet. So just come here and copy this contract address. So go to your crypto account, the one you're using, and import the contract address there. I'll only show you guys how you can import on Trust wallet because that's the one I'm using. But if you still want me to show you guys on how you can import in other this thing, you can just join my Telegram channel and indicate. I will drop the video for you. So now let's go head over to my Trust wallet to import the Peria coin. So this is my Trust wallet. This is my Trust wallet. We'll have to scroll down and look for this manage crypto. This manage crypto, see it here. But in case if you don't see it when you scroll down, there's another way you can also find it. You click on this dash here. You click on it and you also see the manage crypto. You also see the manage crypto. So you click on it. This plus sign at the top, this plus, and you click on it. Then the network part, you change it to BSC, the BNB Smart Chain. You paste the contact address that you copy. So the name, symbol, and decimal will automatically appear. Then you click on import. When you click on import, you will now see it in your crypto list. You see? So it's going to be here. So if you now want to make withdrawal, you just click on it. When you click on it, you click on receive and copy your address to. So when you copy your address, just come back to Peria and put in your address to bind your account. So you watch my first video, that place you see how I bind it, like you see how I put the address. They tell you to verify your address. So after the verification, your wallet will be verified. So now if you now want to withdraw, you just click on withdraw. The minimum withdrawal here is 15 sorry, the minimum withdrawal here is 500 Peria. Get enough token, keep on mining every day, maintain your strike. So that's all about this Peria airdrop. Take it serious and you get something from it. The link is on my description box and the referral code is showing on the screen.